Welcome to this video about the Vivo V65G in Mist Gray, featuring 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The Vivo V65G is highly rated, with a 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 801 reviews. More than 200 units have been purchased in the past month. The current price for the Vivo V65G is 38,999 rupees, which is 11% off the MRP of 43,999 rupees. EMI options start at 1,371 rupees, with no-cost EMI available. Experience superior photography with the Vivo V65G's 50 megapixels ZEISS Super Telephoto camera system. This includes a 50 megapixels ZEISS Group selfie camera, a 50 megapixels ZEISS OIS main camera, and the 50 megapixels ZEISS Super Telephoto camera. The Vivo V65G is India's slimmest smartphone in the 6,500 mAh battery category, featuring 90W flash charge capabilities. The Vivo V65G is rated IP68 and IP69 for protection against dust and water. The Vivo V65G features Google Gemini Live, which can assist you with styling and other tasks, as shown by its ability to suggest pairing the lehenga with Kundan jewelry and a colorful potli bag for a traditional look. Key features include an ultra-bright display, IP68 and IP69 certification, an AI smart call assistant, and a one-tap water ejection function. Customer reviews highlight the fabulous camera, long-lasting battery, and smooth display performance.